What I'm going to be showing you today is a video object lesson. And you think, well, what is a video object lesson? Let me explain. Welcome friends to my channel where I put up simple tutorials to help you teach kids about the Bible, about Jesus, and Christian values. And today I've got a really simple teaching tip to show you. Let's say you're going to use a video as your main teaching portion of your lesson. How do you make the most of using a video? Well, today I'm going to share with you a very simple way of how you can really get the most out of using a video. So I'm going to show you using a portion from the Story of Jesus for Children video. This is an hour long and it's too long to show at one sitting, of course. So I like to just use portions of it. But the way I get the kids to focus in on the areas of the story that I want them to pay attention to is by using a mystery bag. I tell the kids, today we're going to be watching a movie, and in that movie there are going to be things that you're going to see. But you know what? I've put a lot of those things in this bag today, and I'm going to pull them out and I'm going to show them to you, and you're going to see if you can find these things in the movie. In this one, I'm focusing on the triumphal entry up to the point of Jesus being on trial. So what I would do is I would just pull them out one by one, and I won't talk about them straight away. I just pull them out and say, oh, here's some bread. You're going to look for some bread in the movie. The other thing you're going to look for is some wine. And then I would continue pulling things out. Oh, some silver coins, a rooster. Yes, this is my daughter's rooster. She used to dye her roosters for the local show. So there you go, a rooster. Look, another thing that you might see in this portion of the movie is a kiss. Not the type of kiss that you might think of. And so then I would basically put on the segment of the video that I want the kids to pay attention to. And you know what I find is I find the kids really pay attention. And as soon as they see the object, they'll say, oh, there's the bread, or there's the wine, or there's the palm leaves, or that sort of thing. And then after we watch the movie together, then I'll go through the objects one by one and say, okay, did you guys see this? What was happening when you saw the palm branches? And then we'll talk about that. Or what did the bread represent? And then we talk about that. What did Jesus say that the wine represented? And so basically it becomes an object lesson, but the kids have seen it on the video, they've paid attention, and you can have really good discussion about the events in the video that you're using. Now, this is just a simple mnemonic memory teaching technique that helps kids focus in, and you can make the most out of the video. The other thing you can find on my channel is I have uploaded this movie into short little segments. So if you're just showing one little part of the movie, you can just get that clip off this playlist, and it makes it a lot easier than having to try to find it on the DVD. Anyway, if you like this simple teaching tip, remember, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. It's actually free. And once again, thanks so much for watching. And may God bless you as you teach the next generation about Jesus.
Rabbi, command your disciples to be quiet.
I tell you, if they were to be quiet, the stones themselves would begin shouting.